In a world of high-tech video games and virtual reality, it's easy to forget the simple pleasures of classic gaming. But there's one game that's still going strong after more than a century, and that's pinball. In this short video, we'll take a look at the beauty and haptic feeling of playing pinball machines, and why they still hold a special place in our hearts. As we pan over rows of pinball machines, you can see the intricate artwork and design that went into each one. From sci-fi themes to rock and roll motifs, each machine has its own unique look and feel. But it's not just about aesthetics. Playing pinball is a sensory experience unlike any other. The sound of the flippers and bumpers, the flashing lights and colors, the tactile feedback of the ball hitting the targets, it all adds up to a truly immersive gameplay. Compare that to modern video games, where you're sitting still and staring at a screen. Sure, they have their own thrills and excitement, but they can't quite match the physicality and excitement of pinball. And let's not forget the social aspect of pinball. It's a game that's meant to be played in groups, where you can challenge your friends and share in the fun. So next time you're tempted to plug in your console or fire up a mobile game, remember the simple joys of pinball. Come on down to the arcade, flip those flippers, and experience the beauty and haptic feeling of classic gaming.